Hello, this is my recording of the Project 2 Commerce for the Cs50web course. So let's start at first by showing the models. Now here we have the base user, and here we have the required models for the auction listing, bid and comment. And I also added an additional watch list model to keep track of the watch list items, or the items the user has on his watch list. Here I added some fields that I think are interesting, like the winner and is active, which will decide who is the winner and if it's the active. So now let's show how we create a listing. Here I'm already logged in as Christian, and here I'm gonna try and list an item. Now let's list this laptop from here. I'm just gonna copy all the data. I'm gonna copy it like this for the description. Starting price, let's say 700. Let's say the date is today. The category is laptop, and the image URL is just the same image that I've gotten from the shop. So now we created the listing, and here you can see it's a laptop. So now let's go and back to our active listings page, which is just all the items that are listed, including the brand new laptop. And here you can see you can add it to the watch list, current price, the user, the poster, description. Now let's go and into the listing page for a specific item, for example the Stratocaster. Now here, because I am logged in, I can add it to a watch list, and as you can see it's now added to the watch list, and here I can see the watch list items. Now second, I can also add a bid. For example, the current best bid is 1005. I can add a 1600 bid, and let's first try something lower, which is gonna be blocked because it must be higher. Now if I do 1600, it's gonna be 1600, and that's the bid to beat. Now if I am the person that has created the listing, I can close it. In this case it's the other account that created it. So I'm just gonna log in these two users that I've already set up, and this is the one that the other account bid on. If I close it, now it's no longer in the active listings page. If I log out, and if I go and log in with the other account, if I go to my watch list, which is the item that I want, here you can see that I've won it. So now let's showcase my watch list a little bit better. Also, before we move on to the watch list, let's show the comments. Here I already made a couple of comments. Let's go into another. Let's do this amplifier, and let's just write, wow, this is a nice amp, I won it. Okay, that's two comments. As you can see, rounded corners. So now let's showcase the watch list, and here you can see I've already added the Stratocaster that I won, but let's add some amplifier and the laptop, and now you can see it's a brand new watch list, same design as the index page. Let's do the laptop, brings me to the laptop. Let's do the Stratocaster. It all works like it should. So now let's do the categories. Here right now I only have 4 categories, or four categories with active items currently. If there are no more laptops that are active, then laptop is not going to be shown here. Let's do acoustic guitar, and it brings me to here. Let's go again with the laptop, our two laptops, and it's gonna be this one. Let's also show the electric guitar, and this is it. Now the last page is the admin page, and here we can see, let's use the admin page to add a bid. So I'm gonna pick the user Christian, I'm gonna do the Yamaha, and let's add a bid of 170 or 80, let's say. And now it's added. And here, now when I go to the Yamaha, you can see that there is a bid of 180 made by the user Christian. That's all. Thank you for watching.